Sanibonani iyabingelela ichwanela kongwane. Bafowethu, bengicela ninginike igama lebhizinisi that was invented by the black person that is successful right now as we speak. Ibhizinisi elingam-include umuntu omhlophe noma laba bantu ondle bekhanya ilanga. Elacalwa nje umuntu omnyama oyibonayo nawe ukuthi it's a creative idea okumele ngabe manje i-successful. Mina ayikho neyodwa engiyaziyo. So bengicela ukuthi nabafethu ninginike amagama alawo mabhizinisi esiwabonayo njengamanje in progress noma a-supportive ngale ndlela ekushiwo ngayo njengoba kuthiwa kune-Black Economic Empowerment. Bengicela ukuthi ninginike nje ibhizinisi elilodwa eli-successful eli-run-wa noma eli-operate-wa umuntu omnyama where ama-white they are not involved. Because mina ngokubuka kwami there is no even one business that is successful that doesn't not even include a white man. Le Black Economic Empowerment isebenza makunjani kanti? Isebenza makunjani? Iyosebenza makutheni? Because into engiyibonayo njengamanje bakhona nje abantu abamnyama abaqale ifarm badayisa izingulube. 1 2 3 lizorun ibhizinisi li-run ibhizinisi. Along the way kuzofika ama-complaints at we have to check your products or your pigs ukuthi they are in a right form or they are in a right position for human consumption. After that they will say they are not approved, your business is fucked up, which means anensakhona ukwenza business lane. So into engiyishoyo all the time, if a black person starts the business or they start their own business, there will be something abazosibamba ngayo. Then they will just cut off the business. So ngibuza ukuthi mina inini la khona abantu abamnyama abazofaka khona amabhizinisi abo awoperate kahle bathole inzuzo. Into engiyibuzani ileyo nje. So angazi noma mina engishoda ngolwazi noma mhlawumbe imina engingazi, angazi ngizothini. Kodwa ke most of the time bakhona abanye futhi engibaziyo they come up with the idea of selling goats. Nabo futhi they had the same problem. So I don't know what is going on. Maybe you guys can tell me what is going on, because in my whole life I never saw any black business man or woman who succeeded on their businesses. Ngicela ngilamulele bakwethu. Ngiyazibongela ne.